This is one of those recipes that feels like a hug in taco form.
They say fall is the season of reflection. And honestly, nothing says reflection like a warm pumpkin spice taco. Hear me out. Pumpkin spice reminds us to slow down, to savor what's in season, to celebrate the small joys that keep us grounded. In Japanese, there's a word for this: Ikigai. It's about finding joy in what you do, what you love, and what gives life meaning. For me, it's creating something delicious that brings comfort and curiosity to the plate. This pumpkin spice taco is my little piece of Ikigai and tortilla.
Here's what you'll need: ground turkey, a touch of pumpkin puree, a sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice, warm tortillas, diced apples for a little crunch, and a drizzle of maple crema to bring it all together.
Ikigai is a Japanese word that loosely means reason for being. It's that overlap between what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can share. For me, tacos have always been a piece of that. A creative outlet that connects food, culture, and wellness in one place.
Let's start by browning some ground turkey in a skillet. Now you can also use pork, chicken, or sausage. They all work here. Once it's browned, I'll add some pumpkin puree and a bit of pumpkin pie spice. Not too much, just enough to bring out the warmth and without overpowering the savory notes. Give that a stir, and you'll notice the aroma. It's like cozy fall mornings, but in taco form. For the drizzle, I'm making a simple maple crema with yogurt, some maple syrup, and a little bit of lemon juice. It ties the flavors together and adds that balanced sweetness. I'm using flour tortillas here, but you can also use corn for a more traditional feel. Spooning your pumpkin spice turkey, add diced apples for crunch, maybe a few toasted pepitas if you want texture, and finish with that creamy maple drizzle. Look at that. Warm, golden, comforting, and just a little unexpected. A taco that celebrates change, creativity, and the beauty of the seasons.
Ikigai isn't about chasing perfection. It's about finding harmony in what makes you feel alive. Maybe your Ikigai is cooking, teaching, parenting, helping others, or simply taking time for small rituals that bring you peace. When we cook intentionally, when we create with curiosity, we tap into that same space. Food becomes more than fuel. It becomes connection, creativity, and care. So this pumpkin spice taco isn't just a fun fall experiment. It's a reflection of Ikigai in action. Creating something you love, sharing it with others, and finding meaning in the process. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me how you find Ikigai in everyday action. Till next week.